Hello everyone. Welcome to this exciting video where we will talk about MenStack. MenStack is a powerful combination of technologies that help you to create amazing web applications. By the end of this video, you will understand why MenStack is so popular and how each of its components plays a crucial role in development. Let's jump right in and start exploring about MenStack. What is MinStack? MinStack is a collection of four technologies: MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. Think of it as a complete toolkit for building web applications. MongoDB is where your data is stored. Express.js helps you to create server and manage how your application works in the background. React.js handles everything that you can see on the screen like buttons, text, images, etc. Finally, Node.js connects all of them together and it ensures smooth communication between the database, backend, and frontend. It is like having all the parts of the car working together to give you a great driving experience. Now, let's see the interaction between different these components. We make the front end by using React. When the if user make any request, that request goes to the backend. Backend interact with the database using Mongoose, and it retrieve the data and it will respond the data back to the front end. This is how the flow works. Now, why is MinStack a popular among developers? Firstly, it is JavaScript everywhere. You use same language for front end, back end, and even for database queries. This means there is less context switching and even uh, more focus on writing great code. Secondly, Min is highly scalable. So whether you are building a small blog or a large e-commerce platform, it's works perfectly. Thirdly, there is an active community, so you will always find plenty of resources and tutorials to help you out. And finally, MinStack is flexible, allowing you to easily add tools and features to your projects. Let's start with MongoDB, the database in MinStack. MongoDB is NoSQL database, which means it stores data in flexible JSON-like format instead of traditional rows and columns. This is a great for modern applications where data structure might change over time. For example, if you are building a social media app, you can easily add or update your user profiles without any trouble. Now, coming to its advantages, MongoDB is fast, scalable, and it works perfectly with JavaScript. Coming to its disadvantages, it has limited support for complex transactions, required careful data modeling. Now we have Express.js, which acts as the brain for your backend. It helps you to create APIs and manage logic behind your applications. For example, if you want to fetch data from the database or process a user login request, Express.js handle all of them. It's lightweight, means it's faster and does not use up unnecessary resources. Coming to its advantages, Express.js simplifies the backend development and makes managing server-side tasks easier. Coming to its disadvantages, it does not have a strict structure. So for bigger projects, you need to plan and organize your code properly to keep things manageable. Moving to React, the star of front end. React allows you to create beautiful and interactive user interfaces. For instance, if you want your app to update the number of likes on post in real time without refreshing the page, React makes that possible. Its component based structure means you can build small reusable pieces of codes like buttons and menus, and by using them, combining them, we can create a full application. Uh, Once you make a component like button, you can use that component anywhere in the code, anywhere in the application. Coming to its advantages, of React is fast thanks to its virtual DOM. Because of this virtual DOM, uh, we can render the dynamic pages and dynamic things into the page without refreshing the page. And it has the huge ecosystem, and it has the huge libraries available to use. Coming to its disadvantages, it can feel overwhelming for beginners due to its syntax and constant updates. But trust me, once you get hang of it, it's worth it. Finally, let's talk about Node.js. Node is a server environment where everything comes together. It's like a glue that holds many stack together. What makes Node.js unique is its non-blocking event-driven architecture. This is just a fancy way of saying that it handles multiple tasks effectively without making the server slow. For example, if you are building a chat application, Node.js can handle thousands of user messages each other in a real time without any problem. Coming to the advantages of Node, Node is faster, lightweight, and comes with NPM, which was a massive libraries of tools that you can use in your project. Coming to its disadvantages, it's not best for tasks that required lots of CPU power, like video editing, etc. To wrap things up, MinStack is an excellent choice for building modern web applications. It's simple to learn, uses JavaScript throughout, and provide a seamless development experience. If you are looking to start your full stack development journey, MinStack is a great place to begin with. Uh, with MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js, you have all the tools you need to create something amazing. So why waiting? Start learning MinStack today and take the first step towards building your dream projects. Thanks for watching.